You don't get a mission briefing, just a direction. The convoy stops, and no one explains why. Engines shut off, doors open, and suddenly, the silence feels controlled. You see movement first. Not clear, not fast. Just something that doesn't move like it should. You left the military for this. More money, less questions, and no official record you were ever here. Every day is routine. Patrol, monitor, report. You guard land that technically doesn't exist. They gave you one rule. Don't ask what's inside the perimeter. Just make sure it never leaves. Tonight, something breaks that rule. The alarm triggers. From the inside, no briefing, no confirmation, just weapons raised and something moving in the dark. You lock onto the target. It looks human, but the pattern is wrong. The order comes late. Contain or eliminate. No clarification. You don't hesitate. You were trained not to. When it's over, there's nothing there. The report is rewritten. What you saw gets erased, and that's when you understand. Out here, truth isn't what happens. It's what they decide remains. You go back inside. No one talks about it. Like silence is part of the protocol. Everyone saw something, but no one says it out loud. The footage doesn't match your memory. Parts of it are missing. Logs get erased before review. Like the system is cleaning itself. You start questioning what you saw, or if you were supposed to see it at all. Then you see it again, far out in the desert. Still moving. This time, it's not just one. You try to report it, but comms don't respond. The base starts going dark, one system at a time, and now, you're not guarding the perimeter anymore. You re-inside it. And the worst part is, whatever crossed that line was never trying to escape. It was expanding,